Hey guys, I'm in Cape Town, but we are bringing Soweto into the kitchen. A kota is literally a quarter of a loaf. But what I am doing though is twisting that up. First thing we're gonna do is start making our sauce. Tomato and onion, sweet chili relish. We've got our sweet peppers over here. Sun-dried tomatoes in there. The sweetness is going to come from these fresh rosa tomatoes. Let that simmer whilst you get the rest of the ingredients going. So half the jalapeno acha, half of the mango acha. I'm not peeling the potatoes. You're going to get a beautiful dark outside edge. And the trick is to double fry your chips. So you put them in 5 minutes and then take them out. Let them sit at room temperature and then put them back in. That's where you get a beautiful crispy outside and a lovely fluffy inside. We've got our government loaf. Remember, it's a kota, so it's going to be a quarter loaf. What you do, take your loaf, cut it in half, and then now you've got a quarter of a loaf. What you do now is cut out a section, all the soft part. So we've got our quarter loaf hollowed out. Put this in the oven just to toast off, get a beautiful color on the outside and make it crispy. The sausages are done straight out of the oven. We've got our bread beautifully toasted. Now we're going to assemble it. We are making our kota. Some of your cheese, some chips, grab some of our acha, some of our tomato sauce. You see the peppers are still firm and crunchy, not soft, which is the look you're going for. Pork banger on there, some cold meat, a bit more sauce on top. There we go, a kota made in Cape Town. You can do this at home, easy to do, and the best part, the fun part, the eating.